Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Memorable English Practice. I'm your host, George, and I'm so glad you are here today.
And I'm Anne. Today we're diving deep into one of our favorite topics, the importance of learning English and how to learn it in a simple, friendly, and enjoyable way.
So, Anne, let's start with the big question we get from listeners all the time. Why should we learn English? Why is it so important?
Well, George, the first reason is very clear. English is a global language. More than 1.5 billion people use it. When you know English, you can communicate almost anywhere in the world.
Right. Whether you're traveling, studying, or working, English helps you connect. Even if you go to a country where English is not the main language, people still use it as a bridge.
And one thing many learners don't think about is how much entertainment is in English. Movies, music, YouTube videos, books, most are originally in English.
Good point. And sometimes the meaning is clearer when you understand the original English instead of relying on translations.
Exactly. Also, English gives children and adults better education opportunities. Many universities teach in English, and scholarships often require English skills.
Plus, in jobs, even simple ones, basic English makes a huge difference. It shows confidence, helps you talk to customers, and opens doors for promotions.
Before we talk about easy methods, we should talk about something every learner feels: fear. People often think English is difficult.
That's true. Some think their pronunciation is bad. Some worry about grammar. Some feel shy.
Or they compare themselves to others and feel discouraged.
But here's the truth. English is not hard. It only becomes hard when we expect perfection.
Exactly. Learning any language takes time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to communicate.
And communication doesn't require big vocabulary or fancy grammar. Simple English works.
Let's start with my favorite tip: small but daily practice. 10 minutes a day is more powerful than 2 hours once a week.
Yes, our brains remember better when we repeat a little every day.
Listening is powerful. If you listen to English daily, songs, podcasts, stories, your brain naturally absorbs the language.
I always tell learners, even if you don't understand everything, keep listening. Your brain is still learning.
Exactly. And choose things you enjoy: cartoons, movie clips, short stories.
A big question we get is, George, how do I practice speaking if I don't have a partner?
And the answer is simple: speak to yourself.
Yes. Describe your day in English. Repeat sentences from movies. Practice in the mirror.
It may feel funny, but it really works. Confidence comes from practice.
Reading also really helpful. It doesn't mean thick novels. Start simple. Short stories, children's books, or online posts.
And don't stop when you see a difficult word. Try to understand the sentence first. You can learn the new word later.
Instead of memorizing 50 words a day, learn the words you actually use.
Yes, daily words like buy, clean, help, eat, finish, before, after, these are more important than long dictionary words.
Changing your phone to English, reading English signs, thinking in English, all these small habits help a lot.
Even writing your shopping list in English helps your brain get used to the language.
Learning should feel fun, not stressful.
Exactly. Watch your favorite shows, sing English songs, listen to slow English stories. Enjoy it.
Let's give a simple example conversation for beginners, just to show how easy English can be.
Sure. Here's a basic daily conversation.
Hi, Anne. How are you?
I'm good, George. I'm learning English every day.
That's great. How do you practice?
I listen to English stories and I speak with myself.
Nice. Keep going.
See? Very simple sentences, but very useful.
Before we close, what is one final piece of advice you want to give our listeners, Anne?
I'd say don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to your yesterday. If you learned even one new word today, you made progress.
Beautifully said. And my advice? Be patient. Every language learner makes mistakes, even native speakers.
True, mistakes are part of learning. Don't fear them.
All right, friends, that brings us to the end of today's episode of Memorable English Practice. Thank you so much for spending your time with us.
We hope today's tips help you learn English in a simple and enjoyable way. And remember, your English improves every time you practice, even if it's just for a few minutes.
Stay confident, stay curious, and keep learning.
See you in our next episode.
Bye for now.